Ganges river dolphin. So in which subject you will be studying about this animal species? Yes, in GS paper 3 under environment and ecology. So Ganges is nothing but river Ganga. So river Ganga is a fresh water or a salt water? Fresh water. That means if any animal or organism which is living in this river species comes under freshwater species, right? Okay, remember this point. I will come back to this point later. It is a freshwater living being. Okay, so this article is saying that they are going for radio tagging. Okay, so whenever we are going for tagging of an animal, what will be the advantage? So recently this radio collars, which is in news, we are going for collaring of elephants in Madhya Pradesh because recently 10 elephants died because of kodo millet poisoning, right? So because of this, especially Madhya Pradesh state, they are getting help from this Tamil Nadu state for this collars, right? So now we are going for radio tagging of all river dolphins, and they are blind. These dolphins, they don't have eyes to see, but how they'll move? Do you know about these bats? So what is the mechanism that is used by bats for the movement? Echo, right? So the same way, they also depend on this echo for the movement. Okay, now tell me why we will be going for radio tagging of animals. What will be the advantages? Advantages of radio tagging. What will be advantage? Okay, we can monitor them regarding movement, where they are moving next. And can we understand the habitat of those animals based on their movement? Next, food patterns. Next, can we understand about the reproduction cycle? Next, okay, so here one more question is, why we are going for this radio tag of these animals? Can you guess why only this river dolphin now? So they are blind, so what? They are going extinct. Why? The reason is right, but why? Why the number of this river dolphins is decreasing day by day? Yes, why? Can you give me like what are the reasons for the pollution? Okay, industrial sewage, industrial waste, sewage. Next. Okay, habitat destruction. Next. Next, come on, go on, say. As I said, they are fresh water living animals, right? So here, whenever this river is getting polluted, so will this form as habitat, good habitat for them to continue their life? No. So actually the pollution which is happening because of industrial waste, sewage, and not only that, we are going for construction of dams. Yes or no? So because of this construction of dams, the area of their free movement is restricted. There is habitat destruction which is happening, and apart from that, because of construction of dams, the sediments will be getting and it will be forming at the base. So what happened? Because of this sedimentation also, it is affecting the purity of the water there. So this is also one more important reason. And here, whenever we are going for this dredging is a method we will be using for removing of the sediment. Whenever we are removing the sediment, the water will be becoming very dirty. So that they started migrating from this area to another area. Okay, so that is a thing. And even because of pollution, it also had been altered reproduction cycle of these animals. So actually these animals, they will give birth only to single dolphin. That too, it will take time like 2 to 3 years of time. So because of this pollution, the reproduction cycle also had been altered. So because of this, the number of new offsprings also had been decreased. So this is one of the major reasons for the decreasing of this number of Gangetic river dolphins now. So here you have to see about some basic facts regarding this Gangetic river dolphins, and you have to see what are the threats for this dolphins, why their number is decreasing, and you have to see like extent in which area in India we can see this Gangetic river dolphin. And one more important fact here is they are present only in India. They are endemic to India. So if something is happening, we can't get even that animal from any other country. So that is a problem. So that government is taking some conservation efforts. So you have to see what are the conservation efforts of government of India. Okay, so in these 4 areas, there is a high chance of getting question. Clear? Okay, now let us see this article in detail. So wildlife conservationists in India have successfully tagged almost all blind Ganges river dolphin for the first time. And this initiative is part of Project Dolphin. So you know about this Project Elephant, Project Rhino, and you can also add one more project of Government of India regarding conservation of animals, that is Project Dolphin. And this project had been supported by Ministry of Environment. Why? We have to understand the behavior of this animal and also migration pattern and as well as habitat use of this animal. So these are the things or the advantages of this Project Dolphin. Okay, and as you all know that this dolphin is blind, so it mainly relies on echolocation. So the same phenomena which used by bats. Okay, and next important thing that you have to remember is just see about what are the conservation efforts taken by the government. So why we are focusing? Because it is an endangered species. If government is not taking proper conservation steps, then this animal will be getting extinct in our country. And next one here is government support. So actually Ministry of Environment is supporting this Project Dolphin, so that government is focusing on research and as well as scientific and also environmental protection as well. So that is the thing. And apart from this, you have to see some basic facts. Okay, I want to show you the map. So this is river Ganga, right? So in this region, we can see the presence of this river. So this Ganges dolphin, and even it can be seen in this Brahmaputra as well. Even this Brahmaputra region also, we can see this river dolphin. And if you see some facts, so here Ganga river dolphin, and the scientific name is Plantatia gangetica, and it is commonly known as Susu. So you'll be getting this name also, like consider the following statements regarding Susu. It had been asked in 2017 prelims, I guess. So consider the following statements regarding Susu. Susu is nothing but this blind dolphin. And actually it is endemic to Indian subcontinent, and it is also known as tiger of Ganga. So which of the following animal is called as tiger of Ganga? And they will give the options. So it is nothing but this Gangetic river dolphin.